Over years, every new hobby or activity I picked up somehow ended up with a whole stash of gadgets, gear, and accessories. Some of it has been collecting dust for so long, it's practically antique now. Recently, I decided to tackle the storage room, which is bursting at the seams with hundreds of bits and bobs. I sat down on the floor, determined to unearth what's been stashed away, just pulling out a portion of my old camera gear. From back when I was a journalist and cameras were my bread and butter, was already enough to cover half of my study's floor. Sometimes, I'll come across an old piece of kit and have absolutely no idea what it was for. After a bit of investigation, I finally realized one part was actually broken. But wait, I remembered I might have a replacement somewhere. I hunted it down, give it a go. And voila, it works. Or at least, I think it does. Before I knew it, a few hours went by, and yet the storage room still looked like an explosion of relics from every hobby I've ever had. Ah, the simple joys of a man's life. Creating a mess, spending hours in a mess, and rediscovering treasures from that mess.